Okay guys, so let's say you get a screen like this on your Chromebook out of nowhere. This sucks. This means there's something wrong. You can't boot into your operating system. It means you can't get online. You can't do the things you need to do. So in this video, we're going to show you how to fix this really easily. Okay, so the first thing you need to do in this case is actually close your Chromebook and flip it over. And then you're going to need to look on the back to find out what the exact model of your Chromebook is. In this case, I've got an Acer C720. So we're going to want to keep that in mind here in a minute. The other thing that you're going to need is some sort of USB drive. You can also use an SD card reader like this. And it really needs to be, and of course you'll need an SD card in here, but your SD or your USB drive only needs to be a few gigabytes. This is a 16 gig drive, and this is what I'm going to use. But just know you only need probably 4 or 8 gigs for this to work. And again, you can use an SD card reader as long as you've got an SD card in here as well. Okay, so the next thing you'll need to do is actually plug in your USB drive into your computer. I should also note that doing this will erase everything on your USB drive. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open Chrome, and yes, it has to be Chrome in order for the Google Chrome web store to work. So once you're here, you'll actually do a search for the Chromebook recovery utility. Chances are up here in the top right where mine says launch app, yours will say something to the effect of install app or something similar. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click launch app. And that's going to pop open this window. So here it does say you'll need 4 gigabytes or larger. So I just wanted to reiterate that a 2 gigabyte will not work. You want 4, 8, 16, something that is bigger than 4 and that you can afford to lose whatever data is on it. Then we'll click get started. And then you've got the option where you can type in, Acer C720. And since that didn't work for me, what I'm going to do is go ahead and select this way, and I'll click Acer. Oops, and then I'll scroll down to where it says Acer Chromebook 11 C720 in 720p. So I'll go ahead and click that, and I'll click continue. Then we'll select the drive that we want to use. Again, remember I used the Kingston Data Traveler 3, so I'll go ahead and select that, and then I'll click continue. Here's kind of a final, are you sure this is everything you want to do? If so, then click create now. Okay, so once that process is done, it says you can now safely remove your media. So we'll go ahead and click on done there, and then we can remove the USB drive from our computer. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our Chromebook here. We'll go ahead and open this up. Oops, like so. Okay, so then we'll take the USB drive that we just created, plug that in, and then it will automatically go into the sequence that will recover your Chromebook. Okay, so here we are just a couple of minutes later. It says the system recovery is complete, and that we can now remove our recovery media, and the computer will restart automatically. So I'll come over to here, I'll pull this out. The screen that says that OS verification is off, that's something that I've done to my Chromebook. You probably won't see that. But here we are, we're back on our desktop, or we're back onto the welcome screen, and now we can log into our Chromebook.